Help!
Where's this guy?
Did you try it?
No, not yet.
Do you want to try it?
Nah, yeah, give me waterfall this shit.
You can kill it. I'm good.
You don't want it?
No.
Hey,
did you try it?
I'm not gonna. Yeah, let me try this shit.
Try it. Did you try it?
Do it. No, let me try this shit. Hold on.
Yeah.
Bro, what is this? This kind of tastes like.
Did you try it?
Soda that's cream. No, I didn't. Hold on, let me try that shit again.
Have you already tried it?
No, try this shit. Hold on.
Try it.
Dude, so it's grape with Sprite. I mean, Sprite with grape.
Yeah, how does it taste? Have you tried it?
Dude, this shit's... No, dude, I've never tried... Wait, let me try this shit. I'm gonna
try it.
Let me try this shit.
Try it.
Try this shit.
Bro, this is like cream soda.
Mm-hmm. But like with bomb.
Oh, bomb.
Did you try it?
Hashtag yes, dude. I fucking tried it, dumbass motherfucker.
All right, boys.
All right, boys, here we go.
Another Thursday game day.
Yeah.
My pussy hurts a little bit, dude. My knee's bothering me a little bit. Dean's still sick. His pussy fucking hurts.
Oh, I need more Zens.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. I'm good.
I hope you guys can see me in this dark environment.
Yeah, you're kind of blending in.
I'll see you guys inside. That's such a whore for clips,
Holy
bro.
shit, dude.
This guy's such
I'm
a
already
whore
getting,
for clips.
we're getting harassed here, Ricky, dude.
Clips, bro. Bro, he hasn't even edited the other videos. Bro, I just put give it to Dean. Nah.
No, say it. All right.
Yeah, bro,
What
you're such
happened?
a whore for clips, bro.
You said what?
You hold him, please. And thank you.
I think that's the thing nowadays. Nobody got manners, bro.
Yeah, seriously. Everyone's always like, where's my clip? Where's my clip?
Yeah, right. Good for shit right here. I'm not 16 no more, man.
No, I know, dude. Thanks, dude. Give me some fucking dap, dog.
My hands, bro. My bad.
You think I give a shit, dude? You can piss on your hands, I'll still shake them. What do you mean? You like them? They look good on you, bro.
Thank you.
No homo? You look cute. Alright. Mango. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on, rated X. Rated X.
Hey, does he have our thumbnail already?
Thumbnail.
Our thumbnail should be Joe yelling at the ref.
Oh, shit, dude.
Too soon, bro. Too soon.
Recap from last week. This guy right here got a fucking red card.
Change, bro. Come on,
Great.
bro. Start off. Change over there. There's no room here. He took bro. We were playing COD before this, and he was like, "No, kid. I'm probably just gonna stay home and play COD." Who said that? We're playing.
Rank
with this guy, bro.
Rank.
We were getting smacked, bro. We need you, bro.
I'm gonna get smacked. I'm gonna be a burden, bro.
Hey, find me on Apex.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, dude. I used to be a beast. Where's Pepe?
He goes right now, MIA.
Poor guy.
Love. That's what happens, right?
Cute ass. Alright.
Are you going to church on Sunday?
I'm going tomorrow and Sunday.
I went today.
Oh, did you? Oh, going to volunteer, help them set up for the like they do the walk around with like reenacting the crucifixion.
Oh, really? You're going to be one of those?
No, I'm gonna help them set up. I'm not gonna be in the thing.
That's good. That's cool. What church do you go to?
Same one as this guy.
The Guadalupe one?
Yeah, Santuario.
Nice. Yeah, shout out Santuario,
We
dude.
got a couple alums. Pepe goes there too.
Wait, the IDs.
I have them. I have them this time. God damn. Whose Bengay is that, dog? Is that Ricky? Holy shit.
I don't do that, bro. I do bench straight.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't fucking.
That's gonna be in there. It has to be. Huh? What?
Buena suerte.
I'm the coach. What, dude?
All right. You're the coach.
It's one of the 10 words he knows very good.
Hey, sit on it. Wait.
I'll catch it.
Ooh! That's a thumbnail. That's a thumbnail. Oh shit, let me.
These are fire.
Thanks, bro. Can I slide in here?
Whatever you
like. Not there. Hold on.
Oh shit.
Hold on.
Is this only a 20-minute game? Or are they gonna do halves?
What are we doing? Mark up! Come on!
Good ball. There you go, Gabe. Capitalize, capitalize. 3 on 2. There you go, Gabe. Capitalize, capitalize. 3 on 2.
What? Nice, John, nice! There you go!
God damn. What are we subbing?
I'll call him next gen.
What are we subbing?
I'll call him next gen. Mango! Mango!
Yep.
Holy shit, he got so lucky.
That's a great tackle. Oh my. That's a great tackle.
That's Robert.
Make Robert run!
Oh! Bro, I would have bicycle kicked.
I would have flown for that. You want to see some aerobatic fucker and all that?
You better,
Contain him, just contain him. No foul.
I better see that next time you're in there.
Stuck into it.
Oh shit.
They'll probably get Ricky before. Good! They'll probably get... Good!
What can we do different out there?
Honestly, we have to pass and move, Mike. We have
Pass
to
and
pass and move.
Yeah.
We've got to be awake. I'm a little bit sleepy right now. It's not good.
Why are you sleepy, dude? You had an orange cream bum. Did you try it?
Shit, I didn't try it.
Oh fuck.
My reaction time is just like that. I mean, that guy right there.
Oh, he looks so cute right now. Look at him.
There you go.
Aww. I love Peke, dude.
You can just snuggle him up.
What?
Whenever the goalie goes down,
Yeah.
zoom in his ass.
I knew you were gonna say that. Estamos un poquito flojos, ¿eh? Estamos un poquito flojos, ¿eh?
Behind you, Robert.
There's still time on the clock, bro. Don't give up.
Did you see the nice assist I gave the other team?
I did see that.
Hey guys, let's chill on the ball. Look, their game is just like right. Let's relax.
Don't sneak up behind me like that. Getting me excited.
My fault.
Nah, you're good, baby.
Bro, what?
Are we switching? What the fuck? We're switching sides? What is this ref doing? Just Falcon. Did you hear that? Let's see if he stays true to that.
How did Robert doing his morning workouts?
So here's the thing.
He's
I
on bullshit too?
haven't been going.
Oh, you haven't?
I haven't.
Why is that?
Because I've been sick.
Oh, okay. That's a fair excuse.
I mean, it's the only excuse I have right now, so. Because, dude, I'm going to be honest with you, 5 a.m.'s early as fuck, dude. It's hard.
Especially when it's cold. Like, if it's one thing, if it's like 70 degrees in the morning and like all you have to do is throw on a shorts and tee, like,
Yep.
when I go to this, I go downtown a couple times a week for work, and I have to be up at 5:30, and I'm outside waiting for the train at 6:30. When it's cold, it sucks ass, but like,
You take the train? Yeah, it's terrible. I mean, taking the train is bad. But yeah, like, I'm up at 3:30 to get to the gym by 5.
3:30.
Yeah. That's why it's so hard.
Late.
Huh?
You're up this late.
Yeah.
Damn.
Trust me, I know.
I know.
But that's no excuse. You shouldn't slack, right? Oh my God.
Hey, Bernard.
Oh, he's true to it. It was a falta.
Man. Woo!
There we go.
It's okay, come on. That's you, Robert. Venga, cuando puedas.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Shit.
Hey, come on, boys. Come on.
Oh.
Hey, come on, push up, push up. What are you doing, son?
Oh.
Hey, come on, push up, push up. What are you doing, son? Never mind, take that shit back. They're doing something. Hey!
Mango.
Come on, come on.
Good shit.
¡Hey, profe! ¡Profe! ¡Pinche rodillo, no querían a jugar, pendejos! ¡No querían a jugar! ¡Imbécil de mierda! ¡Ey! ¡Ese rodillazo que le pegó por detrás! ¿Usted lo vio, señor? ¡Rodillazo que están pegando por detrás! ¡Hasta la seguridad está! ¡Lo vio! ¿Qué está acá? Los porteros allá haciendo... La ponen esa allá.
What's up? You wanna see it?
Yeah?
Yeah. Brother, I was VARing, bro. I was fucking VARing, dude. Hold this.
What did they say? What did they say the call was? The elbow? I didn't see
Yeah, it was an. I didn't see it.
Oh, he needed it?
Oh, he needed it. I didn't have it,
Like,
dude. I was on Peke with the ball, bro. Rampage. Yeah. There we go.
Get into that motherfucker.
That I don't know.
That's some bullshit.
Fuck me. Chico. I like the fucking. You played fucking hard. Good shit, bro.
Fucking got least, I guess.
Fuck! We didn't want it.
We only had 2 subs, you know?
Yeah, but we played better.
First time we played fucking great. Those halves we started like shit. I mean, we were losing. Hey guys, no shit on 3 unanswered in the second, bro.
Guys, no mames.
No mames, bro.
We lost that game ourselves, man. They had nothing on us, bro. We were fucking them up.
We just didn't fucking want it.
Those 3 goals, que dice Joey, they were just them fucking finishing the play.
The first goals, the man was scored.
Easy as fuck. All he did was stand there right there. Why couldn't we do that? We had 3 more power plays after that. Bro, that's what I told him. Guys, we've all come to the conclusion we play lazy town and got out of our hands. So we're all friends and look over.
Are we?
Yeah, we are all friends.
Oh shit. Hey.
Even though Baker pissed me the fuck off today.
Holy shit. Hey, can I be honest with you? You kind of look cute in this light, bro.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists. Why are you gay?
It's because the lighting. Alright? I understand that.
Oh, Jesus.
Whose fault was it today? Bitch ass motherfucker.
Hey, win as a team, lose as a team.
See, it doesn't get for all of us.
Wow.
So, update on our conversation. Mango's horny right now.
He's horny?
Oh, fuck, never mind, switched it.
I got elbowed, bro.
Yeah.
I'm always getting elbowed, bro.
You got elbows?
Dude. Rico got fucked. Mango got fucked. Joe got fucked. You got fucked. Who else?
I just hate when people talk like dirty, bro.
Oh, I know.
It's like, bro, we're here to play, bro. Damn. London fucked me up.
Low key, today I played very cautious with
Hey.
because this shit was hurting.
You know how he got these? Because he was this
got promoted?
he was this close to getting a promotion.
I was.
This close.
I forgot his knee pads.
Yeah.
Oh, bitch ass.
When I was talking to him about the interview,
Yeah.
I came in second.
Do you see why he didn't though? Because there's nothing on the other knee, so he wasn't giving it his all.
When the other
Organ.
guy came out of the office,
It's
and
because
she's
this
like
was
this.
swollen.
Yeah.
Nah, this was swollen, so I was like, gee, chill.
What happened?
I don't know.
You got fucked up in London?
I think it was on Sunday.
That was Sunday?
I played good Sunday, I played good at London, and then I was
Was that Monday or Tuesday? It's Monday, right? Monday?
like, let me see you, Dan. Let me see you. Give me a second.
Polish and Italian. This kid was not.
What the fuck?
Hey, my bad. He got shit on.
Fuck.
Hey, how have I been doing?
Yeah, you're getting there, dude.
Bro, you gotta tell him to stick the fucking thumb out,
Yeah.
bro. You gotta stick the thumb out, bro.
You curl it
Like
down.
this, bro.
Yeah. I don't know how the fuck
And
his
then
wrist does
up.
that shit.
You gotta go up.
Yep. Down, up, like this. It makes
Go
your
up.
shit peak more.
Yeah. Up. And then the elbow. Or the thumb.
Yep.
Peek it out like
Yeah. Like really. Yeah. No. Yeah. I mean,
What the fuck?
you're,
there you go.
brother.
I'm gonna get a cramp.
I
Yeah.
know, but like it looks
You're just doing this to flex
Right,
your
right,
bicep.
right.
You're not.
No,
Flex.
Show me.
Like I'm not. I don't
like
look.
look at this motion right here that he does too. Yeah.
I'm not like this, bro. Like I'm actually flexing. You know what I'm saying? Flex your shit. Like this. Like flex your shit, dude. You see that?
Hey, how do you flex this?
You see this?
I'm not a bodybuilder. You know who is? That guy.
Crispy as fade. Yeah.
Why are you
Hella
sweating?
fade, nigga. I'm hot.
Oh my god.
Gotta bleep that. Cut it.
Oh, you're a corporate guy.
That's John, bro. That's John.
Oh shit.
Hey, they're looking at porn over there.
Love you guys. See you.
Huh?
Like, love you guys. See you later.
All right. I guess that's the outro.
Nah, this is.
Oh.
Polish and Italian.